Good evening. I am in a bit of a panic because I cannot find my ticket for the 8 p.m. train.
Good evening. Please stay calm. We still have 15 minutes before that train departs.
I was sure I put it in my jacket pocket after I bought it at the kiosk.
Let's double check all your pockets slowly. Sometimes those small slips of paper hide in the lining.
I have already checked 3 times, and there is nothing here but some loose change.
Did you perhaps place it inside your passport or a book you were reading?
I was reading a magazine at the platform, but I don't see the ticket between the pages.
Do you remember if the ticket was printed on yellow paper or white thermal paper?
It was a standard white ticket with a blue stripe on the top.
That is the type issued by our automated machines near the main entrance.
Yes, I used the machine because the line at the counter was too long.
Did you pay with cash or did you use a credit card for the purchase?
I used my credit card. Does that help us find the record in your system?
Yes, it makes things much easier for me to track. I can look up the transaction.
I am so relieved to hear that. I thought I would have to buy a new one.
If we find the transaction, I can print a replacement receipt for you to board.
That would be a lifesaver because this is the last train to my city tonight.
I understand the urgency. Let's try to find it before the boarding gate closes.
I also had a coffee at the bakery 10 minutes ago. Maybe I left it on the table there?
It is possible. Many people leave their tickets next to their coffee cups.
Should I run back to the bakery and check the table quickly?
No, stay here for a moment. I can call the bakery staff from my desk.
That is very thoughtful of you. Their shop is quite far from this desk.
Hello, this is Tom from Information. Did anyone find a ticket at a table?
I hope they found it. I was sitting at the high table near the window.
They said they cleared the tables, but they didn't see a ticket.
Oh, that is disappointing news. It must be somewhere else then.
Don't worry yet. Let's focus on the credit card transaction instead.
I have my card ready. Should I give it to you now?
Just the last 4 digits of the card number will be enough for my search. While the system is loading, let's look inside your large backpack.
I have so many things in here. It's a bit of a mess from my trip.
Sometimes tickets fall between the folds of a sweater or a laptop sleeve.
I am taking everything out. Here is my umbrella and my extra shoes.
Check the very bottom of the main compartment. Small items often slide down there.
There is nothing but some old receipts and a candy wrapper.
What about the small side pocket where you keep your water bottle?
No, only my keys and some tissues are in here.
You mentioned the magazine earlier. Where did you put it after you finished reading?
I put it in the front pocket of the bag. Let me check that again.
Shake the magazine gently. The ticket might be tucked deep inside the pages.
Nothing fell out. This is so frustrating.
You're doing fine, Sarah. We still have 12 minutes left.
I feel like I am losing my mind. I am usually very organized with my travel documents.
Travel stress can make anyone forgetful. It is a very common situation here.
I remember holding the ticket while I was checking the platform number on the big board.
Did you put your hands in your pockets after looking at the board?
Yes, I did, but I also took out my phone to take a photo of the schedule.
Maybe the ticket fell out when you pulled your phone out of your pocket.
That is a very good point. It might be lying on the floor near the schedule board.
It's quite a walk to the board. Let's see if I can find the record on my screen first.
Is the system showing anything for a ticket to the North City?
I see a transaction for $35 at 7:35 p.m. Does that sound correct?
Yes, that is the exact price and the time I was at the machine.
Excellent. I have found your digital record in our database.
Can you print a new ticket from that record?
I can print a validation slip, which works exactly like a ticket for the conductor.
You have no idea how happy that makes me. Thank you so much, Tom.
I just need to verify your ID to make sure it matches the credit card name.
Here is my driver's license. The name is Sarah Miller.
The system is a bit slow today. It is taking a moment to generate the slip.
As long as it prints before the train leaves, I am happy to wait.
The 8 p.m. train is usually on platform 6, which is just behind this desk.
At least I don't have to run across the whole station with this heavy bag.
Yes, you are in a good position. You can see the gate from here.
I see people are already starting to queue for boarding.
Don't worry about the queue. Your seat is reserved, so nobody can take it.
That is true. I just want to be on that train and finally go home.
Have you been traveling for a long time today?
I have been on 3 different buses and 2 trains since this morning.
That is an exhausting journey. No wonder you are feeling a bit tired.
I was visiting my parents for the weekend. It was a lovely trip.
It's always nice to spend time with family, even if the travel is difficult.
The printer is making some noise. Is that my slip?
No, that was just a report from my manager. The system is still processing your request.
I hope there isn't a problem with the connection.
It happens sometimes when many people are using the station Wi-Fi at once.
I should have used an e-ticket on my phone. I will do that next time.
E-tickets are great because you can't lose them as long as your battery is charged.
My phone is actually at 5%, so a paper ticket was a safer choice today.
Well, in that case, we are back to the same problem.
I guess I am just having a bit of bad luck with technology today.
Every day is a new start. Tomorrow will be much smoother for you.
I will definitely charge my phone and my backup battery tonight.
Oh look, the screen is finally showing the print button.
Finally, my heart just skipped a beat.
I'm clicking it now. You should hear the printer in a second.
I am ready to grab it and go.
Here it comes. It's a small blue slip with a barcode.
It looks beautiful to me right now.
Wait! As I was reaching for my ID again, I felt something in the sleeve of my jacket.
Really? Check it carefully. Did it slide inside the cuff?
I don't believe it! Here is the original ticket.
It was in your sleeve this whole time? That is a very creative hiding place.
It must have slipped in there when I was reaching for my phone in my pocket.
I am glad you found it. Now you have the original and the replacement.
I feel so embarrassed for making you do all that work for nothing.
Please don't feel that way. I'm just happy that the mystery's solved.
I wasted 10 minutes of your time. I am truly sorry, Tom.
My job is to help passengers, and we had a nice chat while waiting.
You are very kind to say that. Most people would be annoyed.
I see much worse things than a lost ticket every day.
I should probably give you back the validation slip you just printed.
You can keep it as a backup, or I can shred it for you here.
Please shred it. I don't want to get confused between the 2 papers.
There. Now you only have the one true ticket.
I will hold it in my hand and never let it go until I am on the train.
That is a very solid plan. Don't even put it back in your pocket.
I will put it directly into the scanning machine at the gate.
You still have 7 minutes left. You have time to get a bottle of water.
I think I will just go directly to the platform to be safe.
That is probably a good idea given how today is going for you.
Is platform 6 the one with the blue signs or the green signs?
It has the blue signs. Just follow the corridor past the bookstore.
I know exactly where that is. I passed it earlier.
The train is already at the platform, so you can board immediately.
I am looking forward to sitting down and closing my eyes.
Have a peaceful trip, Sarah. The weather's supposed to be clear.
Thank you for everything. You really helped me stay calm.
It was my pleasure. Safe travels. One more thing, Sarah. Do you have your boarding group number?
Let me check the ticket. It says Group B near the bottom.
Group B boards after the families and the first-class passengers.
So I should wait for the announcement before I try to enter.
Yes, it makes the process much faster for everyone.
I will listen carefully for the voice on the loudspeaker.
Sometimes the speaker is a bit quiet, so watch the screen at the gate too.
I will stay right next to the screen so I don't miss it.
Is your seat in the middle of the car or near the window?
It is seat 42A. I think that is a window seat.
Yes, the A seats are always by the window on this model of train.
Perfect. I love looking at the lights of the city as we leave.
It is a very beautiful view, especially when the moon is out.
I think I see a full moon tonight. It's a lucky sign.
After finding your ticket in your sleeve, I would say you're very lucky indeed.
Yes, I suppose you are right about that.
Do you have enough battery left to show your ticket if they ask for ID?
I have my physical ID card in my hand, so I don't need my phone for that.
Excellent. You are fully prepared for the journey now.
I will make sure to tell my parents about the helpful man at the station.
That is very kind of you. I just hope you have a comfortable ride.
I am sure I will. These trains are usually very quiet at night.
Yes, it is the best time to travel if you want to relax.
I should start walking now. The first group is already boarding.
Good luck, Sarah. Don't forget your rucksack on the counter.
Oh, thank you. I almost did it again.
Your mind is already on the train, I can tell.
You are a very observant person, Tom.
It comes with the job. See you next time you visit our city.
I will definitely be back. Goodbye.
I have reached the gate, Tom. I am holding the ticket right in front of the scanner.
I can see you from here. Go ahead and scan the barcode on the red light.
It worked. The screen says proceed to platform 6.
That is the best sound in the world when you're in a hurry.
I still can't believe I found it in my sleeve at the last second.
It is a funny story you can tell your parents when you get home tonight.
They will probably laugh at me for being so distracted.
Or they will be impressed that you stayed calm enough to find it.
I only stayed calm because you were so patient with me, Tom.
I'm just glad I could help you avoid buying a second ticket.
I'm looking at the train now and the doors are still wide open.
You have about 3 minutes, so you don't even need to run.
I will walk quickly anyway because I want to find my seat early.
Remember, your car number is usually printed near the top of the ticket.
It says car number 5. Is that at the front or the back?
Car 5 should be right in the middle of the platform.
Perfect. That is exactly where I'm standing right now.
Do you have everything? Your bag, your phone, and your magazine?
Yes, I have everything this time, I promise.
Double check your pockets one last time before the doors close.
My pockets are empty and my ticket is in my hand.
Then you are officially ready for departure, Sarah.
Thank you again for being the highlight of a stressful day.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Enjoy the view from the window.
I will wave at you through the glass as the train moves.
I will be watching for a red jacket and car number 5.
Have a great rest of your shift at the information desk.
Thank you. I hope the rest of my night is as interesting as this.
Goodbye, Tom. I will never forget the sleeve mystery.
Goodbye, Sarah. Have a safe and wonderful journey home.